Hello, welcome. It's Pauline from PQW and I'm here to show you another quilting design. In this session we're going to show you Template B. Now this is a great one to give you lovely curved designs. You can do lots and lots and lots of different designs with it. If you go to our website with any of our templates for quilting, each one of them have their own free downloadable pattern sheet. So as I design different designs with each of these templates, there is a new sheet goes up. So you can go back to the website and continually go back there and keep looking to see what new design sheets we have for you. We try to do all the hard work for you. But this template pack has 2 templates in it. I call it set B, but it's what I've used to get this beautiful design here. Gives me lovely curves, melons in the middle, perfect circles. And if you know about my quilting technique, Control Quilting Technique, you'll be able to quilt anything. So I do sandwich my fabric up and with the Hobbs double-sided fusible batting. I have put my 1/2 inch line around the outside, so I know not to draw my design past this point. And I have put reference lines in. You don't have to do that. I like to do that to make sure I'm getting my design centered where I need it to be. I do use the big 12.5 inch ruler to cut out most of my blocks and to draw up all of my diagonals and everything to get it accurate. So that's another handy tool to have. So we have the 2 templates that come in this pack. I'm going to use this one for this design that I'm creating here. Now by having all the reference lines on, and if you don't already know, I use the Bohin fabric marking pencil. This is the one that I like to use to mark up all of my light and dark fabrics. If I'm marking my dark fabric, I'll have the white lead in the pencil. If I'm going to mark light fabric, I'll switch it to the grey lead. So you get both with the set. We're now lining up. So the points of the template are sitting on my diagonal line. It's coming straight through the middle, both ways of the design. So now I know it's exactly centered where I need it to be. Have your lead out long enough to fit through the split. Push down on the template, hold your pencil upright and just draw. Press down firmly, but not that firm that you're going to break the lead. And just don't go backwards. Don't come forward and then go backwards because you're going to lean the pencil and you'll snap the lead. Always in one direction. Come around. Line it all up. Now if you're holding down firmly on the template, you should get no movement out of it to distort it at all. Oops, I just broke that lead. I need to concentrate more. Round we go. And yes, it does take a few minutes to draw up, but when you get to the machine and you watch my videos and see how I set the machine up to quilt with my feed dogs up and my stitch length set and an open toe foot, by making a slight adjustment on the sewing machine, you'll be able to quilt absolutely anything. So it's the Control Quilting Technique that you need to learn to be able to quilt this way without worrying about free motion quilting. Because I find free motion quilting is a challenge for a lot of people to learn. This technique is very, very easy. Okay, so there's the beginning. Oops, I missed a little bit, and I hope the camera can pick up the design. So there's the first part of it. It just looks like a spider's web. Now, oh, there's another little bit that I've missed. So by instantly putting my design back on those reference lines, I know I'm lining the design up perfectly. So now what we do is we just keep moving it around and lining up through the centre here. The tip here is right on that diagonal line on both sides. So that is going to connect my design up completely. We'll just draw this one here. And you can see, so you notice that lead is breaking because it's dragging on the fabric. And we just keep going. And you can see now how that, by putting in this next curve, it's lining that design up perfectly. So we keep going through. I don't need to draw it all up for you because I think you get the idea. It's just a quick little hint and tip lesson on how we shouldn't break the lead. But if your lead is breaking, it means you're pressing down too hard or tipping it to the side like I am doing and shouldn't be doing. Now we're only going to draw to that out. You can go right through to that outside edge, but remember that'll be cut off once you trim your blocks back. Draw your little design in here. So just keep going around and then we'll move it across. We'll come across from this point, lining up your diagonal lines once again. And once you get all of those drawn up, you just go back and you fill in on the other side. And then that gives you that complete design, which is, I love it. I love that it fills in the whole block for you. So this could be used over a patchwork block. It could be used in the background of applique. So many different shapes can be created with that. And using the other template, you get a totally different design again, which we'll cover in one of the other episodes. So we do run specials on our template because we have a whole range of them. This is just set B, excuse me. But if you were to buy 3 different templates, and I'm just going to show you 3 different ones here. I've got A, which have 3 different templates in this pack. That's A. B we've just used. And I love C. C gives you a lovely clamshell design, which is great for filling in. Different circles that are great for fill-ins. This one here is set M. This is I designed this one up for all your borders and different things and your sashings. But if you bought to buy 3 packs, we give you the 4th one free. So you've got the choice of going to our website, which is www.pqw.com.au, choose which 3 you want and then put in what you would like as your 4th one, because that one becomes free. But it's your choice. We don't pick for you. We allow you to select which ones you would like, and particularly which one you'd like for free. So thank you for joining me. Stay tuned because we'll be drawing up a lot of other designs. Bye for now.